Back. All set.
Hindi lang. Hindi lang. Di ba nakasakay?
Racing gas is started. We have business class break. Quick little start. Moving up on the outside to take the lead is Pearl back. Next on that is Security Queen, Windsure Lady. Then followed by Southern Warrior, Air Force One, Euphoria, Wild Sword. War is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. 2 entries, party around for lead. We have Pearl back. This time moves up by our length. Business class drops back in second. Down in third we have Security Queen. Then followed over by Southern Warrior. Next online is Windsure Lady. Air Force One. Then followed over by Sword O War, while Euphoria now running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Pearl back, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Moving up now to take second is Security Queen, Business Class, Southern Warrior. Now moving up to take third. Air Force One comes next, Sword Over, Windsure Lady, while Euphoria is still running at the tail of the field. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Pearl back, this time by about 4 lengths. Southern Warrior now wins second by the Rally Security Queen with about 100 meters of the race. We have Pearl back followed by Sword War on the outside. And finally it's Pearl back. Sword War, Air Force One, Southern Warrior. Then comes Security Queen for your Pentapecta.
8, 6, 2, 7, and 5.
Galing mo ah. Nakita mo
Tama
yun?
nga ba?
Kita mo yun? Clear winner natin, Pearl Back. At yamado sa lahat po ito. 623,000 inabot yung ating daily double pool. 395,000 na naging benta ni Pearl Back with DH Borbe Jr. 8, 6, 2, 7, and 5. Tama ka ron, partner. Yung datingan natin. Galing, Pearl Back.